Hey everybody, I know, running the camera all by myself, but I just wanted to go over how you add and subtract with decimals. So I have set this problem up. It says adding decimals. We have 20 plus 4.9. Now I want to show you what you guys typically are doing to get the problem wrong. So you're putting 20 and then 4.9 and then adding it. And you can see that the 20 doesn't have a decimal. You have to add that decimal. Don't forget that whole numbers, the decimal comes after the last digit. So when we're looking at the number 20, the decimal comes at the very end. Remember to add that 0 at the end. So this is the wrong way. You don't want to do it that way. The right way would be to put 20.0 plus, and then you add your ones place up, the 0 and the 4 in the ones place, 4.9. Then you add it, 9. You drop your decimal, 4 and 2. The same thing happens in subtraction. So if we were to use these same numbers and instead of adding it, we would subtract it. Let me get my eraser real quick. Let's do that again. We would put 20.0, line up the decimals, 4.9, and then you subtract it. In this case, you have to go and regroup all the way across. 2, you make into the 1. The 0 you make into a 10. And now you can borrow from that 10, so make it a 9. And then you make this 0 a 10. So 10 minus 9, 1. Drop your decimal. 9 minus 4, 5. And then you drop down the 1 since there's nothing to do right there. So that is what you have for adding and subtracting decimals. Please excuse my very obnoxious son. He's very loud at times. You guys have fun, take care, and drop any questions that you have below in the comments or in the Google Classroom. Bye.
I'm sorry. I thought you were